A friend of mine had reached out from Pennsylvania. His grandfather, I think, had a house in Queens. And he had two C3 Corvettes just like rotting away in the backyard. An early one, a 68, and an 80s later one. Obviously, the one I was interested in was a 68. The chrome bumper one's worth more. I sold the white one immediately, and the black one, it was actually blocking the black one, so I had no choice but to sell it. So the black one had to leave the house as they were selling it. So it was kind of a time crunch, and I wasn't on the island. I wasn't on Long Island at the time. And so I had a tow guy who had worked for me for probably 2 or so years, and we had done road trips, like 8-hour road trips. I liked the guy. We never had an issue, but you could tell he just wasn't, all there. He ended up taking the car out, telling me, oh yeah, no, it's fine. Like, where do you want me to bring this? Doesn't arrive at my lot. I find that out from one of the neighbors of the lot. Corvette didn't show up. So it was great. I come back to New York. I fly there very fast, and I pull in to the street in Queens, and it's gone. It's not there anymore. And one of the neighbors, it's not in the driveway, it's not in the garage where it was. You can see drag marks where it was dragged out of the garage and left on the street, like haphazardly. So one of the neighbors, I went across the street and I knocked, and he said, yeah, that thing had been sitting here for a day with the orange sanitation stickers on it. So what this tow guy actually, I found out he ended up doing was he dragged the car out of the yard and put it on the street in Queens, looking abandoned with no tags or anything, and called Department of Sanitation right then and there, so it got tagged immediately. Now, they give you 3 days before they tow the car or something like that. It was tagged that day, gone that night. So I knew that wasn't sanitation. I put something out on my social media about the car. At the same time, while I was sitting there on the block trying to figure out exactly what had happened, I walked over to the same neighbor who had cameras. I said, can I look at your cameras? And sure enough, you see him with the boom truck, like a pickup truck with a boom on the back, just drag it out in the street. A couple hours later, a gray Honda Odyssey and a full-size tow truck flatbed are casing the car out. They go around it a few times. They come back 30 minutes later, take the car up on the flatbed, take it away. So that wasn't Department of Sanitation. I knew that immediately. Somebody on Instagram at the same time happened to see the post. Dumbest car thief ever. He was washing it in front of his house and posted it on his Instagram story. So somebody sends me my Corvette being washed in a different area of Queens. And so naturally I stalked the account that posted it. I'm looking at all his photos and everything. Finally, he slipped up. I saw a background that looked like what I just saw behind the car being washed. And I saw a Chevy Express with a license plate visible. So I'm looking through the rest of his photos. I see the same Express, in a few different places on the street. I was like, that truck probably lives around there. So I ran the plate. I got an address for it. As soon as I got the address, I put it in Google Maps. Identical photo of what I just saw, minus the Corvette being washed. I was like, that's where the car is. I thanked the neighbor, drove very fast to that location, and there was a freshly washed black C3 sitting right there. A group of people around it. Like the type of people you don't go take a car back from. I was alone. I parked down the block and I called NYPD. And they pulled up. And I was like, you see that Corvette down there? That's my car. They pulled in 3 cops deep, ambushed these people. And I pulled up. I was pissed. Of course, now I had the power of 6 NYPD cops. So I was cursing. I was screaming. I was like, you stupid. I was just calling them worthless. How dumb could you be to post this car that you just stole? NYPD being NYPD, we're like, all right, you guys good? You're not going to kill him? You're not going to kill him? All right, bye. And they left me to sit there, waiting for a tow truck with him and all his friends. So I'm just like, don't make eye contact with them. Don't look at them. And it took my tow guy a solid 2 hours to pull up. So I'm just sitting there, waiting for one of them to pull a gun on me. And he comes up to my window and he's like, yo, man, you think you give me a few dollars for washing the car for you and everything? He's like, I had to spend $300 to tow it here. I was like, dude, you stole a car. I was like, no. He tries to tell me that it was his friend at sanitation called him. I put the pieces together very quickly, and my tow guy dragged in the street, called sanitation, so the neighbors would see it tagged, called his friend, told him come take it. I had a lot of choice words for him. He knew that I had friends in NYPD and whatnot. Nothing crazy, but I was threatening to have him sent back to jail and take him away from his kid and just terrible. I never would have had the heart to do that. I'm not going to affect a kid's life. But I mean, yeah, I had him like crying on the phone, like begging for my mercy, which is all I wanted. So, so after that, it was good. I cut him off. I mean, he was clearly, doing things that would alter your mind state. As far as I know, I've never heard from him again. So that's how I got that car back. And I ended up selling it to a Barcelona, Spain. So the car is now in Barcelona, getting restored.
If you get a ticket, the first thing you should do is text a picture of it to 305-305. That will get the ticket clinic on your case immediately. You'll be facing costly fines, risks of suspension, possible jail time, points on your license, higher insurance premiums, and a lot of bad things that they can help you to avoid. You can also find them at the link in the description below, but the Ticket Clinic is a nationwide law firm with brick and mortar offices in Georgia, Florida, and California, but they've got attorneys everywhere, and that's what's most important, because a local attorney will know exactly how the local laws work, know the people who are in charge, and get you the best outcome possible. So text a picture of your ticket to 305-305 or click the link in the description below to fight your ticket with the Ticket Clinic.